What's going on, Nerd Army? Guys, thank you very much for tuning in. So this is just going to be a short video I'm going to do because I wanted to let you guys know that I did create a Patreon account. So if you guys aren't familiar with Patreon, basically you go on there and subscribe to be a patron and you get exclusive content that I'm only going to post on there. So basically, yeah, I mean, you can donate $1, you can donate $5, you can donate whatever you want. Become a patron, you get exclusive content, and I will be actually starting a online store with some of my merchandise I want to do too, and I will be starting that sometime in the future. I'll keep you guys updated, but you also have a discount towards any merchandise you decide to get. But no, Patreon is going to be just another way for me to reach out to you guys, so definitely check it out. If you guys can't donate, that's okay. There's nothing saying you have to. I'm still going to do my regular videos here on YouTube. Most of the time when I'm talking about, when I say exclusive things, it might be an exclusive live event just for my patrons. Maybe I will do an exclusive Q&A with them. Probably some individual Patreon giveaways. I do want to start doing some giveaways here on this channel as well. But definitely, guys, check it out at least. Give it a chance. If you guys can't donate, like I said, it's okay, guys. Not everyone can, and that's great. If you can, awesome. If you can't, it's okay. I will see you right here on YouTube. So, guys, make sure you guys hit the like, thumbs up button on this video and share it if you would. And I will see you guys next time right here on Nerdsmerized. Peace out. Hey, guys, if you like what you saw and you want to see more, make sure you go click that big, sexy subscribe button. And I will see you guys next time right here on Nerdsmerized.